The line attack, or X-ray attack, is a strategy that seeks to open the central file against the enemy king, using major pieces in a coordinated way to generate immediate threats. It belongs to the family of direct attacks against advanced pawn structures. There are two main approaches to carry out this plan. One involves building the position little by little, improving pieces, gaining space, and accumulating pressure until the attack matures, basically rapid central development. The other variant opts to immediately launch an attack against the rival king, if needed, to open lines and seek a direct tactical strike, and that's known as a direct X-ray attack. Let's first look at the rapid central development. The white pieces begin by taking control of the center, opening up lines and preparing for their development, while the black pieces respond in a classic fashion, occupying the center and maintaining a good balance. Soon, white advances a pawn to support its central position and free the bishop, and black captures, creating significant tension in the central file. The white bishop is then positioned, aiming directly at the f7 square, generating early threats, while the black knight develops, attacking that central pawn. Next, white develops their knight, thereby protecting the central position, and black responds by supporting their pawn and reinforcing control of the center with their own knight. Finally, white secures the king with castling, ready to coordinate their attack, while black quietly develops their bishop, preparing their castling and maintaining a solid structure. Rapid central development focuses on quickly positioning your pieces on optimal squares and ensuring the king's safety, while slowly but surely building up pressure in the center to prepare a solid and gradual attack. And the direct X-ray attack immediately attempts to exert pressure from the very beginning on the vulnerable f7 square, employing the queen and bishop in combination to create rapid tactical threats in the center. White starts by actively occupying the central squares from the outset, aiming to establish dominance in the game, while black responds in a classical manner to achieve a balanced position. They advance a central pawn to open up lines and prepare a direct attack, and black captures, generating tension in the center of the board. The white queen advances, coordinating with her bishop and creating a very immediate threat on f7, while the black knight develops, attacking the central pawn. The white bishop positions itself, aiming at the enemy king, increasing the pressure, and black develops its knight, reinforcing central control and preparing its castling. Finally, white develops its knight to support the center and prepare the rook on the open file, while black safely completes its development, ready to defend against the frontal attack. Dominate the central column and activate your major pieces to pressure the opponent's king right from the start. Blackchess Academy, the very best in chess training.